Hey, it's Lady J and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a return subscriber, welcome back. If you would like to see how I got these lovely spring twists, please stay tuned for the video. And also remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Share it with your friends. That way you can keep up to date about when I post so you don't miss a thing. And remember to wear your crown proudly. Enjoy the video. Bye. Okay, so this is what I got so far with the spring twist. Got the blue and gold action going on. That's with the regular lighting, just for more detailed if you need to see. Got the highlight going. Nice and bouncy. I'm going to turn that back down. So the hair that I'm using is Kima Spring Twist. Got it on sale at my local beauty supply. I've never seen this hair before, but since it's on sale, why not? So far, I like what it's giving me so far. Probably noticed the plaits in my head. This is from previous hairstyle, but I did wash my hair last night prior to doing this today. So yeah, I'll just take it down one by one. I'm keeping the sections as is, so the parts may be a little bit spaced out, but it's okay because I like the fullness that the curls are getting. So moving right along, get to how I did it. Once I take it down, take a little bit of spray water. Hopefully my camera doesn't die on me. Get some moisture back into it. Then I got my hair oil. Put on my fingertips and rub it on through. This is actually a hair oil I made myself. So this is my first trial and error, so I'm gonna see how it goes with it. Hopefully it's to my liking. So far it smells really healthy, to say the least. Like really healthy, and I feel like it gives it a really nice shine and bounce, keeping in the moisture that I just put in. So I'm gonna mimic this side with the blue. The hair looks like this when it comes into the pack. Pretty much separated like so. Just a little bit, nothing too extra. Kind of meet it in the middle. And then we are going to start plaiting. Making sure that the ends are somewhat even. Zoom in a little bit. Oops, wrong way. Just start plaiting like so. Now I will say I'm not really sure if I'm a huge fan of this hair, because it does have a lot of slip to it. Maybe it's because I oiled my hair prior to, I don't know, but it's very silky, like very different in contrast to my actual hair. But I like the loose kind of look anyway, so I'm just gonna let it be what it's gonna be. Then once I get it to a good distance, start twisting as if I'm doing Senegalese twists, just to keep my hair tamed within the spring twist. Keep that growing until you get to the end of your hair. If a little fuzz comes out, that's fine. Well, for me it's fine. I'm not too particular about that. Now, once I get to the ends of my hair and it's just this left over, I just twist like normal. Like as if you're doing a twist out. Oh, and another thing to note, with me having two different colors, I noticed while I was doing my hair, I have to twist the brown in the opposite direction of the blue. So if you get this type of hair or any other kind of curly hair and they're two different colors, be mindful of the way that you twist, because that will make a huge difference in the outlook of it. Still twisting, 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 twisting. And once I get to the end, you either decide to twist all the way down or give it a little curl at the end, and then boom. Notice how it bounces back up. Alright, I'm going to show you this process again using the brown hair, and I'm going to show you what the after result looks once I'm done. So see you in the next clip.
That's lazy.
Final comments. It is a lot to just have hanging on my face, but I did want you guys to see what it would look like this. Probably style it up in some type of way, I don't know yet. Oh, it's cute. I like that. Do I like that? Boom. But yeah, definitely easy to manage, very lightweight, very pretty. I like it. I ain't gonna lie, I was kind of hesitant at first, but it's coming out quite nicely. But if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your bell, and share it with your friends. And that way, you know, you can be up to date, knowing whenever I upload and things of that nature. I'm I'm just admiring what looks right now. But yes, once again, thank you for watching. Always remember to wear your crown proudly. And yeah, I will see you in the next one.